Alright, here's a quick tutorial from White Rabbit Rents, St. Simons Island, Georgia, about how to operate the 49cc Honda Ruckus scooter. So, to start the scooter, turn the key to the on position, hold the brake. I prefer to use the right brake because the start button is right here on the right handlebar. Push and let it run. Also on the right hand handlebar is a kill switch. Alternatively, just turn the key to the off position, which I prefer because then there's no confusion about why it won't start because you forgot the kill switch on. Mirrors are adjustable, they're just on a little ball joint there. On the right handlebar is your front brake. On the left handlebar is your rear brake. Also on the left handlebar is your high beam switch, low beam switch, left turn signal, right turn signal, and like all motorcycles, these turn signals are not self-voiding, so you have to turn it back to the central position yourself. On the left handlebar is also the horn, and we have a little battery charger with a voltage indicator on it, and also a phone holder that's really universal and will hold just about any phone in almost any position. You can rotate it. This will be good for people who aren't familiar, so they can use navigation while they're on the scooter. Okay, I'll show you real quick how to kickstart this thing, just in case you have a battery problem. Kickstart's on the left side. You can squeeze either brake lever. I prefer to use the left brake lever. Key in the on position, and then just a quick kick. It should fire right up. If you get to the point where you need a Kickstarter, you should probably call me, but if you're stuck, just let me know. Also on the left side is the kickstand. In order to kickstart, you have to do it while it's in the up position. To get it down to ride, you simply move it forward, and it'll kick out from under you by itself. There's a couple methods of getting it on the kickstand. One, stand on it and lift on the rear and pull back. The other is just to hold both bars, kick, push down on it and pull back on the bars. I guess I didn't show you where the throttle is. Throttle's on the right hand side. Maybe that's not a bad thing to show you last, since we don't want you doing that until you understand everything else. I think that's everything you need to know. Call us if you have any questions.